Prepare the ingredients by cutting the carrots, sausage, shrimp, and corn into small pieces. Boil water and cook the peas for 1 minute. Then add the corn and cook for 1 minute. Last, add the carrot and cook for 30 seconds. Blanch the corn, carrot, and peas and put it aside. Add oil in the pan and stir fry the sausages till cooked. Move it aside after. Next, stir fry the eggs and cut them into pieces till cooked. Then, add the shrimp in and stir fry it for 20 seconds. Then, add the rice in it and stir fry it for 1 minute. Next, add the peas, corn, and carrots back into the pan and stir fry it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Add salt and stir for a while. Then add the sausage and stir fry for 1 minute. Stir well to make sure the ingredients are evenly distributed and the rice are separated from each other.